up, Element? Got an announcement for you. We have E-Studies coming up. That's today. Here. And basically, E-Studies is when we get together, yeah! And we talk about stuff we're studying in Element, this and that, woohoo! Anyway, middle school is gonna meet here at Bay Area Fellowship downstairs. Yeah. And then the high school is actually gonna meet during the week at people's houses. That's right. And we have those led by several different leaders, and we're gonna be able to go into people's houses and eat their food. And nom nom, it's so good. Nom nom. And that's a very serious matter because we need to get signed up for that as soon as possible. So if you could do that, that'd be great. And that's E-Studies, guys. It starts today. Your life starts today. Peace out.